Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file online 2551Q full guide. Start by logging into the official business portal and verify your taxpayer credentials. Next, gather payment details and accurate quarterly income estimates. Make sure receipts and records are organized to minimize mistakes. I will walk you through each form field, common pitfalls, and how to review entries before final submission so you can file confidently and avoid delays. Open the Form 2551Q online interface and carefully enter your business name and taxpayer ID exactly as registered. Input your gross receipts and taxable income for the quarter using your organized records. Follow prompts to compute estimated tax due and include any credits you qualify for. I'll explain common calculation steps, show where to double-check figures, and highlight warning signs that trigger when payment is due. Select your preferred method and confirm bank routing or card details to prevent failures. Use the preview or review screen to read every field slowly and correct typos or omissions. After you submit, download and save the confirmation number and receipt for future reference. I'll cover how to correct filing errors if needed and how to check payment status so you stay compliant and worry-free after filing online.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.